Hello travelers, it's Alicia with WTI. When you're traveling abroad, one of the first things you want to do is make sure you have the correct plug adapters. So I want to show you this set here. This is from Hemioke, and this is the type F plug adapter. So these are used in a variety of countries. Actually, I use them for travel in Sweden and Portugal, which both uses the type F, and they were very, very handy. So super lightweight, easy to pack in your suitcase. You're not even going to notice that it's there, and they work awesome. So you'll just place the type F plug into the wall in the country where you're traveling, and then you can go ahead and put your US plug in the back. You can use a 2 or a 3 prong with this, so that is awesome. You have lots of options, and that's it. You're good to go. We found them super effective and they work great. They're really simple to use and definitely are great to have the peace of mind knowing that you can power all of your devices even while you are traveling abroad. So if you're planning that trip, definitely check out these plug adapters, and that's my point of view.